So we're here again with another State of the Roads update for St. Thomas Eastern. In a few minutes, we're going to meet with Mr. Maitland from NF Barnes and find out what's been going on this past week, right here in St. Thomas Eastern. I am right here again with Mr. Maitland, project manager for NF Barnes, and my phone is ringing. Yo, take the Bluetooth, yeah. Mr. Maitland, I noticed that never cast still. So, Mr. Maitland, can you please let the audience know what's going on with the update?
On the church corner here, which we promised that we would have got the Eugene down, while we have a little delay on the grating for it. That's the manhole openings that will access it for cleaning. We now have them in our position, so we are looking that we will be able to put them in place and get it casted.
So that's going to be about this week?
We look now next week. This week is already done.
Okay, so by next week. By the next update, we should definitely have it casted. Right. All right, so Mr. Maitland, I noticed that we did do some asphalting. I want you to talk about that.
Some hard work, not another day's of work. Hard work, that's what they say. Hard work, I earn my pay. Hard work, I get off the rock, I move on down. Hard work.
You were here last night when they were doing the asphalting? I'm glad that it's done because there was a lot of dirt and everything going on. But I'm glad.
I'm not ready for the camera now.
Oh, you're not camera ready? Girl, you gotta always be camera ready. So you had dirt going in, a lot of dirt, dust and dirt was coming into your place. And the dirt, calm down now. Yeah, man, they're gonna do the other side. So they worked until very late last night, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. Well, in here look nice and clean.
Nice and clean to bring me here.
But you have to wear a mask.
Mask, we can't bring a mask, miss.
But I'm glad that the dust is gonna be calmed down.
Yeah,
a little bit.
I'm glad to over with the dust.
Yes.
They say normally a 4 chip, but we're not even gonna get one out here at the time. So we
Yeah.
say cover.
No man, they do. The water truck does come, but by the
It
time
does come, but by the time it reach
come.
right here, it turn off. So
Yeah.
I was wondering if you mean Amal's with me.
no man, what going on, man?
So by the time we reach up there, turn on back again. So I'm glad to say, I don't have to argue with nobody again about the dirt.
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, it's over with.
Well, I just passed by. This is a new asphalt. They are going to continue. I know they worked late last night. Good to see you. Yeah, man. All right. And then need to slow down on the road. Pure speeding. Oh, you didn't know it was me? It's me, man. I don't want to drive too fast. You're not trying to. Everybody get used to not speeding too much. It's a new asphalt. They're going to decide in a week or so. Hi, how are you? I got so many complaints this week about, I know, the dust nuisance. I had a doctor call me and tell me that they can taste the dust under their mask. So can you let us know what's going on?
What happened to us there, we had 2 water trucks that went down at the same time. One is still here, but we had managed to rent some water trucks that came in to assist us, but they didn't. They came from town, so it took a little while for them to get here. But now we have 3 water trucks now to service that stretch of the 9 kilometers of road.
So I'm asking these questions on camera because I need my constituency to know what the answers are. What is going on now with our roads that you fixed up at Dumfries area? It got a little mash up again, and then I see it gets smooth off again.
Well, what happened, the weather, the rain that we got the other day, actually, because this is a low point in the road where all the water comes and then go down into the river. So when the rain falls, we have a silt build up on the road there. So what we did was just actually remove that silt area and so that we can reclaim the actual road surface. We roll it so it has easier surface.
Okay,
right.
So currently it's drivable?
Yes, it is now.
All right.
It is now drivable. Other things that we have done, we have actually completed the patching work to the left-hand side of the church corner here, which we promised. We start actually now the 4-inch line, the last leg of the 4-inch line on the right-hand side, right of the road. And that is evidence that we could pick up now, and we have gone something like 70 lengths of pipe, which is taking us all the way down past the total gas station. But we have to test the pipes first, and then when the pipes are passed, then we can put in the stabilized base.
Okay.
Yeah. Out in Prospect is where we do most of the work because we're trying to complete that leg as we have promised. We have some challenges again with our with the equipment. We have rented a new equipment now to start asphalting. So we should get some asphalting today done. We were expecting the asphalt yesterday, but we did not get the machine up, the parts for the one that was down. It's also some concern. We're making some preparation now for the pending storm.
Rain.
So we have to make sure we take up all the flying objects, all the loose objects off the road. That is one of the exercises that we are now after diverting our resources to.
Are there any drain areas we should be concerned?
Yes, so we are going through those now, picking up those, cleaning any wood, anything that might cause blockage or flooding. We have also do the single box culvert. We have also started filling for it, and we are asking the motorists not to use the road. It is still officially closed because
some people are using it
and saying that people are using it. It's still officially closed, right? And it's very dark in the night, and it's very dangerous to drive there. So we are going to put a temporary blockage this evening because we realize even though we appeal to you, there are some motorists that still choose the shorter route to go through.
Well, Mr. Maitland, thank you for that update. Let's remember, do not use that road. Still use a detour road. And we will see you back here next week for another update. Peace.
Yes.
Oh, did you like the road getting done?
Yes, man, you want to go to get higher.
Sometimes it's a little uncomfortable though.
Yeah, man.
But they're laying the pipes now, okay?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to make sure you have a sidewalk so you can use your bicycle. All right?
Yeah.
Come see me at my office on Thursdays. I'm always there, okay?
Yeah,
Right in Portland. All right?